Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Scion XB. We're going to start right away up front before we swing around to the passenger side here. You do have alloy wheels. Inside you have cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. And we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have audio and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Scion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.